Hello. Today what we're doing for both Monday and Tuesday, and probably a couple of days this week, is you go to the site and then you're gonna open up this Google slide. Sorry, that's under the game plan. Once you do that, you will come up here. You're gonna put your name in here. Just click, write your name, and then here we had to figure this out. Is the word is can be used as it also represents the word part. So, and this will make sense in a minute. And then of can be used for the total. So your percent always goes over your 100. Your part always goes over your total. To move these, you just click on them. Wait till you get the little four-way there, and then you move it. Okay, because they were originally over here. Moving on. So what is 60% of 35? So that of goes with a 35, which lets us know it's on the bottom because it is over of. So you're going to put is over of. And what is 60%? Well, the percent always goes over your 100. And what is what we're trying to figure out. So this was X. But then we solved for it, which was 21. It was question marks, and you can erase those. So here's an sorry. Okay, here we go. So the next one, we're gonna do these. Like this had question marks in it. It looked like that. I had already done this, but then you're just gonna click on it and get rid of the question marks. So I will do these, and then you are going on. So to solve these, just like always, we cross multiply and then divide. Those are only two steps. I think so. The equation you can cross multiply and then divide. So you're always going to cross multiply and then divide. And with us, it's always going to be 100x because with these at least. So to do these, you're going to cross multiply. Here's our x, right? So 100 times x equals 100x. And then 80 times 65 equals 5,200. It's hard to write on here, sorry. So 5,200. Then you're going to divide both sides by 100 to get x by itself. So x is going to equal, when you do that, x equals 52. And then you're just going to click in here and write 52. So here you're going to do 75 times 20, divide by 100. 30 times 240, divide by 100. 20 times 80, divide by 100. Figure that out. So then with this one, 48 is 12% of what number? So we see our 12% here. We know the percent always goes over 100. And then we have 48 is, so the is over of what? That's going to be our x. So it's going to be 48 over what we're trying to figure out. Anyways, click on that, get rid of this. Same though, you're going to cross multiply. So 100 times 48 equals 12x because we don't know what that is. And so that's going to be 100, or you could just start with this. If that's easier. Ooh, there you go. So 12x x equals 4,800 because you multiplied 48 by 100. And 4,800 divided by 12 equals 400. So then in here, you'll put 400. Off. And go ahead and try it in here. You're going to do the same. 60 times 100 divided by 40. 72 times 100 divided by 18. 90 times 100 divided by 45. 36 times 100 divided by 90. And this will be the same. It's just you're finding the percent. And it is over of. So what percent, that's your x, of 16, 16 is going to be in the bottom, is 12. So it'll be 12 times 100 divided by 16. It'll be the same here. 52 times 100 divided by 65. 12 times 100 divided by 300. 28 times 100 divided by 40. 5 times 100 divided by 20. Okay? And then we will move on to this later. All right. I hope you're well. Bye.